Although you can mix batters and knead bread dough by hand, these tasks are much more efficient with an electric mixer. Some handheld mixers don't have enough power to knead thick doughs and churn through large batches of cookie and cake batter. Plus, you have to hold them the whole time, which can result in some serious hand and arm fatigue. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best stand mixers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. When someone says they have a stand mixer, they're most likely talking about a KitchenAid and probably even this model. This machine has an iconic stand mixer design that's both attractive and streamlined, making it easy on the eyes and easy to operate. Not too big, not too small, this 10-speed mixer can mix a double batch of cookie dough and whip smaller amounts of liquid with ease. No matter what the task, our tester said this machine proved its worth. Our lab tested this machine with whipped cream, cookie dough, and whole wheat bread dough to see just how well it performed. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-speed stand mixer. This affordable stand mixer has the same planetary mixing action as popular high-end mixers, so your cake batters will be smooth, and your whipped cream will be fluffy. There are 6 speeds plus a special fold setting for gentle mixing. The 3.5-quart mixing bowl is large enough for most traditional home baking recipes, and the non-slip suction feet keep the 11-pound machine stable as it works. The mixer head tilts up for easy access to the bowl and locks down in use, so it won't bounce when mixing thick batters and doughs. We tested this 300-watt machine in our lab, and also sent a machine to one of our testers to use in their home kitchen. Number 3. Kenwood 5QT. Chef Kitchen Machine. The design of this space-age looking mixer is especially appealing for modern kitchens, and testers call it an ideal size for the average counter. Its silver body is effortless to clean with no nooks or crannies, and some parts can go in the dishwasher. The bowl is broad and deep enough for most jobs, although occasionally rattling at high speeds. Testers love the guard and find having the tools on the top of the machine is handy. There are different hubs around the device for impressive attachments, including a food processor and blender. A dual ventilation system also ensures the motor does not overheat. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet High-Performance Stand Mixer. Known for high-end kitchen appliances, Wolf created this stand mixer that marries quality, design, and performance that will wow anyone looking to splurge on a top-notch stand mixer. The mixer is constructed of brushed stainless steel for a professional, modern look with the stature of a much larger appliance. It's equipped with a 7-quart bowl and 500-watt motor that is powerful enough to knead thick bread doughs, and it comes with a flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and splatter shield. Additional food processing accessories can attach to the tilt head and are sold separately. Number 5. Smeg Retro Style 5QT Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The classic KitchenAid stand mixer design might be iconic, but the Smeg Retro Style stand mixer is downright stylish. Available in a palette of pastel and retro hues that coordinate with the other mid-century styled appliances Smeg produces. Clearly meant to be a fixture on your countertop, these Italian stand mixers are not only attractive but powerful, with a 600-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl capacity. While this mixer is a little more expensive than the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer, it tackled all of the tests we put it to with the same level of performance, if not a little better. That was our list of the top 5 best stand mixers just for you.